Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kajal Karmakar and on this platform I share everything I love with the people I care for. And in case you did not follow, but last to last week I accidentally created a Spotify podcast and I got a lot of comments, a lot of questions regarding how I actually made it. So here's a tutorial which is a very extremely beginner friendly. And in case you want to see the tutorial of this eye makeup, then head over to my Instagram and link the video down in the description for you all. So here we go.
Okay, first of all, we need a script. It can be bullet points or a dedicated script, whichever works for you. I had my 21 points written in front of me and I just talked my heart out as if I was talking to one of my friends, and it worked for me. Number 2 is recording. Now for the recording, I used this app called Dolby On, which is the same app I use for most of my voiceovers. Also, I used this shotgun mic by Boya. I'll link everything down in the description box below, from app links to Amazon links. Don't forget to check out the description. But while recording, make sure you close all the doors and windows to cancel any possible noise. If possible, turn the fan off or at least slow down its speed to ensure that there is as less background noise as possible. Now comes the editing part.
You gotta go out and get everybody. Tell them to get on their computers, go!
I love this app for the feature it comes with. It has bare minimum tools, which is not overwhelming at all. At the same time, it has some essential tools like noise reduction, bass, etc. I do the basic editing in this app only and you are good to go. Now you can add background music in the Anchor website or app, which we'll talk about in a minute. But if you are interested in editing your audio furthermore, I would suggest you go ahead and learn any audio editing software, which I have zero skills about, so I am not going to talk about it at all. Now once that's done, here comes the last step, and that is uploading.
You gotta go out and get everybody. Tell them to get on their computers, go!
All you have to do is go to this website, which is by Spotify itself. I'll link it down in the description. And this website is pretty self-explanatory. It's very beginner friendly. Once you get there, you just know how to do the next steps. Now while uploading, you will be required to edit and upload your cover page. I would suggest you to go to canva.com, my favorite place, and you can search for Spotify cover, and they have ton of templates to choose from. Edit them as you like and just upload it, and that's it. Spotify will definitely take few hours to go through your podcast and see if it is eligible to be published or not. But the time you choose for your podcast to be published is the exact time that your podcast is going to be published. So don't worry about it and enjoy making a podcast.
So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Let me know in the comment section below if you actually found this video helpful or not. And don't forget to like this video, comment down below, share it with all your friends or who you think should start a podcast ASAP. And I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye.